Sit down, man.
He was down there talking.
10 seconds. Let's go, Lucas! Well, he moved them in the movie. Go, 10 seconds. Yep,
Thank you, sir.
Good job.
Hold it off.
Good job, Bo.
Thanks, boys. A little less dry.
Let's go, Lucas!
Next round, 10 seconds.
Let's go, Roxanne!
Go, Lucas! 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, Lucas, go! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Go, Lucas! Go! Let's go!
Dang, someone got it.
Yeah, that's my boy.
People I passed like 10.
Was it hard?
Yeah,
Was it the same track as the 50?
No, it's way harder that track.
It's a different track.
Hold up.
And it's a 45 minutes though?
Well,
It's the same like time?
good job, bro.
Hey, Dad,
You happy you did it?
bike alone?
Huh?
We're leaving.
Yeah.
Good job, Lucas!
I get a trophy. I got 14. Yeah, but I would have gone on the first race.
I don't know what you got on the first race. I gotta go check the score.
Shot what they did.